my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be providing payroll support, mainly through email and chat. So this is mostly going to be non-phone. There might be a time or two when you have to do like Zoom type calls or video conferencing calls, but most of it's going to be that non-phone email chat. We are going to dive all in. The links to all the pages that I share are linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And if this job lead is not for you, I have posted some pretty great job leads earlier today. One from GoFundMe that is completely non-phone. I'll have those that I've posted today linked at the end of this video if you want to go check those out if you haven't already. Today's job lead is from the company called Rippling. Now, Rippling has 280 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.4 out of 5-star rating. They're hiring a customer support specialist for their payroll. Now, Ripley is a business that helps other businesses manage all of their HR and IT stuff, like payroll, benefits, computers, apps. They connect business systems with one source of truth for employee data so that other businesses can automate all of their manual work. So they're hiring someone to help customers realize the full potential of using Ripley, specifically for their payroll. You're going to take charge of customer issues from start to finish while working in a dynamic and fast-paced environment. You're going to leverage that chat and email functionality plus occasional video conferencing to help their customers optimize the Ripley system to administer payroll processing, tax and filing, and bank and payment inquiries, and as also their group health and welfare plans, because a lot of times your group health premiums are taken out of your payroll checks. You'll review and resolve any issues by utilizing plan documents and general insurance knowledge. You'll help communicate with the vendors and clients in regards to policies, benefit eligibility, claims, employee rights, things like that, and you'll de-escalate situations and resolve issues by leveraging the platform. Now, they do say they prefer a bachelor degree, but they do also say they'll take equivalent work experience over the bachelor degree. So if you have enough work experience, you may not need that degree, so I would definitely still apply. They're looking for somebody to work the day shift, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. They do want somebody who has 3 years of experience in some kind of customer service, someone who has great communication skills, great problem-solving skills, and great time management skills. Now, pay is listed all the way down at the bottom. They list their Tier 2 and Tier 3 pay. Of course, pay is going to be dependent on locations. They do have a link here up above it that you can check to see what tier you're in. Unfortunately, they're not willing to pay above a certain amount, so Tier 1 locations like New York City or San Francisco, those higher cost of living areas, they will not hire you. But if you live in a Tier 2 or Tier 3, they are paying anywhere from $17 an hour on the low end, all the way up to $27.30 an hour on the high end. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you enjoy job leads like this, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback. Please don't forget, you can always leave down below in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.